Don't rub up against my tripod. Yeah, I hear you. Whew. Hello, I'm Kathleen and this is my Alabama farm life, and welcome. As you can see, I have pulled out some of my power tools and I have been doing a project. My son gets pallets from his job and he brings them home, and we usually burn them in our burn pile. He brought home 2 full pallets the other day and threatened me that if I did not use these pallets, he was going to burn them. So I got out here and I got to work. So I took 2 pallets and we had some extra pieces of wood from another half of a pallet, and this is what I put together. And because the spaces are so wide, I decided to use some old feed bags that I have and staple them to the wood to keep a lot of the compost from falling out. All right, I'm all done, and this is what it looks like. And on a later date, I'm going to have to build a door for it. But right now, we're going to go ahead and fill it up with the compost that we've been saving. This is a mixture of coffee grounds and eggshells, and I'm just going to go ahead and throw it down for the base. When I dumped it, I actually realized that I had already put in some straw and some rabbit pellets. For a minute, I was afraid that we had consumed that much coffee already, but no, we didn't. But it was scary there for a moment. So while I was out here cleaning up the rabbit pen area, I caught my hens eating up my tomatoes. Now they've already destroyed them and eaten all the leaves off of them. And it seems like every time they get another little leaf growing, they come back and eat them. And this is why we can't have anything nice, because of these crazy hens. All right, it's time to get back to work. I'm just going to fill up the 1 container this time around just to get my compost pile started. But guys, look at all that beautiful hay and rabbit pellets. This is going to make a great manure for my plants this year. So there's nothing better than getting a task accomplished, and there you go, it's done. I got a few things in it. I've got a lot more. There's a ton of bunny poop. There is a ton of bunny poop down there that I need to clean up, and it's also past time to get my chicken coop cleaned out, which is probably my next project. It really reeks in that chicken coop since we've been starting to get the warm weather. So I've already got my pine chips I got from Tractor Supply, and that'll be my next project, like I said. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. So you have a blessed and joyous day, and I will see you on my next video.